Your team logged 8+ hours, but you don't know how much of that was productive hours. So you look at utilization next, it's 95%, seems like things are running at full capacity. But what if 40% of that time is lost to context switching and back-to-back meetings? That's the problem. Hours don't tell you about idle time, productivity patterns, and workload health. That's where productivity intelligence comes in. Let's see how productivity intelligence helps. Activity patterns, output versus time spent, productivity score, idle time trends, overwork patterns, underutilized capacity. Real productivity isn't about logging more hours. It's about understanding how work actually happens. Let's see what you can achieve with Workstatus. 3x workload visibility, 40% productivity gain, 30% less idle time. Workstatus is made for every industry. IT companies, legal, digital agencies, consulting firms, accounting, BPO and KPO, interior designs. One layer of intelligence across your entire stack. Remote, in-office, or hybrid. Workstatus is tailored to fit every work environment. Hear from our clients, honest reviews from users. Start your Workstatus journey today.